Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for some downhill racing. We're here today with Richard and Carissa. How you guys doing?
Good.
And we are going to race the turbine time. We have this pink one, this reddish one.
It's more of a purple, I think.
Yeah, and this one's kind of like orange too, like a red-orange, like a purple-pink.
Yep.
And then this one's clearly blue. All right, Carissa, which one do you have?
I have the orange-red.
All right. Richard, what about you?
Take the purple.
All right, and I will have blue. All right, Carissa, you open first.
Okay. Oh, it didn't open good. Well, that's fine, because we just want to play with them. Here we go.
Yep, see how those wheels go. Is that metal? Metal bottom?
Yep, it
I
is
believe
metal.
it is, yep. Cool, cool. So we got metal bottom, metal top. All wheels roll good?
Yeah, they do.
All right, roll well.
Yeah, roll.
All right, Richard's turn.
Okay. You and I have the same kind of like design. There's something different on hers, just decal-wise.
On the door, yeah, the tempo.
You see the, you can see the decal right there. You see that area, and the door is different as well.
Yeah. And
But I
then
believe you and I have the same,
probably the same year.
same year,
Yep.
same model, same design. They're all the same truck.
And it says best for track.
Yeah,
We'll see about that.
yeah, yeah, I see that.
All right. And we're going to do, let's see, we'll do mine last. We'll do Richard versus Carissa first.
Great.
And then we'll do that one
The
last.
winner will take on Tim.
All right.
You're going down, Carissa.
No, you are.
All right, let's get these guys racing.
All right.
All right, a little shot of our track and our racing area. Carissa, can you set this camera up for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All righty. Trucks. Trucks. Mack trucks is what they look like.
There's your first match.
Sorry, guys.
So red versus purpley pink. All right, I'm gonna put that reddish one in lane 1 and that purplish one in lane 2. Turbine time by Hot Wheels. Ready, set, race! Oh,
Yes!
what it is! You're clearly fast.
We took it cleanly.
Yes, you did. So let's go blue against Carissa. And if these ones are close, we'll put them in opposite lanes. I want to move the red over to lane 2 now, since it is the reigning winner. Ready, set, race! Oh,
Yes!
Carissa! That was fast. Now we should do for
Tim
second
against
place.
Richard. Tim
Yeah,
against Richard.
let's do Tim
Alright.
against Richard, blue versus purple.
The losers.
And the red was clearly the fastest, wasn't really close. If this is close, we'll put them in opposite lanes. This is for second place. Purple will go in lane 1 and blue will go in lane 2. Ready, set, race! Oh, blue took off!
Oh, wow.
Took off right away at the beginning. That was a cool race. Thank you, Carissa and Richard, for our challenge. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.
There we go.